Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how I maintain the tension between the stitches while working. First is how to handle the yarn. So the yarn ball which you are working, you have to keep it on your left hand side. And the part which you are going to work, I have left a little bit of yarn from the yarn ball, so that there will be free flow of the yarn while working, as well as the working thread should come from your left hand side. Since I am right hand side worker, next you are going to place your yarn like this, wrap it around like this and hold it with your thumb and the middle finger. So this is the how I hold my yarn, and I will hold the rest of the thread like this with last two fingers. So I'll be holding it like this. So if this is the posture how I hold the yarn, that is at the end I'll be holding with the little finger and the middle finger. Next I'll be holding the yarn where I have to work with my thumb and the middle finger, and through this index finger my yarn will flow for the work. So next, while working, I'll be moving my middle finger and the thumb near the stitches like this, so that you can maintain the tension properly for each stitch. See, it looks like this. If you place your fingers here and you keep on doing without moving it near the stitch, your stitch may get expanded, it may be tight or loose. So to overcome that, I'll be always moving my fingers near the stitches which I am doing. So this is how I handle the yarn and the hook. You can handle the hook in two methods. So this method which I am using is the knife grip method. So this will be comfortable for me. Another method is pencil grip method. That is the way how you hold your pencil like this. You are holding and you are going to do. But I am not comfortable with this. So you can select any one of the method which you are comfortable in holding the yarn. So this also plays a main important role to maintain the tension of the stitches. Next, while you are working your crochet work, you have to sit in a proper and comfortable place with proper light settings, and also you should take breaks in between to get relaxed to do your work comfortable, so that you can maintain your tension of your stitches properly. So next is choosing the yarn. You have to choose the same yarn for your project to finish it. If you change the yarn in middle, like the quality or the brand or the size, the tension of your work will differ. So in order to overcome that, you have to choose the same yarn for your project which you have started. You have to choose the same yarn which you have started the project till the end. So next is the practice. If you keep on practicing, you will achieve the proper tension of your stitches. While working this crochet project in the beginning, we will get tensed, we will get upset because of the tension problem. If you keep on practicing, you can overcome that problem. These are the ways you have to handle to maintain the tension of your stitches in your work. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.